Okay, this is lesson 7 for hands-on equations. And what this lesson teaches you is how to draw the pawns and the cubes if you don't have a kit with you when you need to solve equations. So, we're going to start by writing the equation up here. 4x plus 3 equals 3x plus 9. So, how do we draw this? We just draw our blue pawns. 1, 2, 3, 4. We shade them in because they're blue. Those are the only ones we're using right now. So here's our 4 x's plus the number 3 in red equals 3 x's plus the number 9. So that's exactly what this would look like if you put it on the balance, but this is just a tool to show you how to draw it so that if you don't have the kit, you can still solve the problem. So, looking at this, pretending that this is our pawns and our cubes on the balance, what is the first thing you would do to simplify this problem, Vanessa?
3 blue pawns.
From?
Both sides.
From both sides. So I can take away 3 blue pawns from both sides. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we're left with just this. X on this side and a 3 equals 9. So it's basically telling us x plus 3 equals 9. What is the next step we can make to simplify this problem? Chris?
Take away the 9, take the 3 away from the 9.
Absolutely. So we can subtract the 3, get rid of the 3, we can say goodbye to it, cross it out, same thing as subtracting it, and then we have to subtract 3 from this side, which gives us what?
6.
It gives us 6. So, what is left? We will have a blue pawn equals the number 6, which tells us that x equals 6. And that's how we draw it. It's that simple. So let's do a couple more examples. I have 2 times x plus 4, and I'm going to write it on another sheet of paper here. Two times x plus 4 plus x equals x plus 16. So, we have x plus 4 how many times?
Twice.
Twice. So here's x plus 4. Here's another x plus 4 plus another x equals x, and we need a 10 and a 6 to get us to the 16. 10 and 6. So what is the first thing that we can do to simplify this equation? Chris?
Take an x from each side.
Take an x away from each side. So we can say goodbye to this x, we can say goodbye to that x. We just took an x away from each side. What is the next thing I can do to simplify this equation?
8 minus 16.
Well, not 8 minus 16.
4 and 4 minus 16, right?
Well, we're going to take how much away from this side?
1, 4.
4 and 4, which is 8. So we can take the 8 away from this side. And then what do we have to take away from this side?
16.
If we take 8 away
Yes,
from this
8
side, we have to take 8 away from this side. So 16 minus 8 is going to give us,
8.
it's going to give us 8. We can represent that with the red 8. So that's what's left on this side. What's left on this side? What do we have left on this side, Len?
2.
2 blue pawns. There's one. There's one. So 2 x's equals 8, which is basically what it says. 2x equals 8. What does 1x equal? 1x equals 4. And that's how we draw it. So again, if you don't have the kit with you, you can draw it out just like I showed you here. It's that simple.